What's up, everybody? Maskless Gamer back. It is finally here. The next game in the Dark Pictures Anthology, The Devil and Me. This came out like last week, but I've been waiting just for maybe an update or two. It has a mixed review on Steam, which I think that's more to do with the multiplayer problems they're having, but whatever. I wanted to play it. I purposely didn't read what this is about, so that should be fun. And don't know why my controller's suddenly not working. Well, that's not good. Oh, there we go. Okay. So yeah. I don't record these and like upload them very quickly. I'm gonna try to upload these as quick as possible. But yeah. Without further ado, it's 12:40 in the morning. Luckily, I'm off tomorrow. So let's play alone. World's Fair Hotel. Let's start a new story. Because I haven't started any other story. Wait, is this like back in like the 20s? Forgiving. We'll do challenging. Yeah, we'll do challenging. That seems like the fun option, since we already know the gist of things. Man, I haven't played a game with a controller in forever. For they have sown the wind, and they shall reap the whirlwind. I don't know what that means. With the goddamn crows again. Ravens. Some decisions save lives. Oh, that one didn't. Others. Oh dear. Others lead to dead rats. I think you would be pretty cut in half.
The wheel is 264 feet, Jeff. Can you imagine it?
I can't.
I'm attempting to.
I bet you can see for 100 miles at the top. We should make that our first priority.
Word.
Whatever pleases
World's
you the
Fair
most.
Hotel Chicago.
You mean you are not weary of me after an entire day of marriage?
I will never be weary of you.
I shall hold you to that, my dear.
Blah. Snake oil.
I think we've arrived.
Oh my god, I could not spend more than 5 minutes with that dude.
Isn't this grand?
As advertised. Very nice.
Why are you yelling, Jeff? That is a very nice hotel.
Let's check in.
Her face kind of looks like the blonde chick from Man of Medan. Ring the bell, doofus.
Maybe anyone's here?
I'm sure there was a mad dash first thing this morning to get to the fair.
Ring the bell. Thank you.
Try again?
Okay. Oi, fuckers, I want a room. Oh, yeah, we might be here a while. He has been.
Well, this does not bode well for the level of service we're in store for.
Oh, calm your tits. Everyone must be busy.
Everyone must be busy elsewhere.
That's no way to run a business.
Says you in your
Slow
vest.
service. That means they're making sure everything is perfect.
That's my Marie. Always finding that silver lining.
Oh my god, I hope they die.
My sincere
Oh.
apologies for both startling you and for making you wait.
That is a
My
hell of a
attention
jacket.
was needed elsewhere. I promise from here on out it will be nothing but silver linings.
Oh,
Welcome to the World's Fair Hotel. Please, sign in here. First time in Chicago? I'm going to hazard a guess and assume you're here to take in the exposition.
The fair, yes, but that's not all. Today is a very special day for us.
Jeff's like, I get to see her boobs.
A honeymoon. How very, very lovely.
Oh, her face freaked out for a second.
Perhaps my wife, Mrs. Whitman, would like to sign.
Women can't write.
Yes. Today's the beginning of our honeymoon.
Kidding.
Congratulations. In that case, an upgrade is in order. A honeymoon suite it is.
Say
Oh,
what?
well, are the rates that much higher?
Think nothing of it. The same rates as your regular room. The upgrade is on us. You're our first honeymooners.
How kind.
And
Thank
last.
you, Mr.
Holmes.
Sherlock?
Henry
Oh.
Howard Holmes.
Triple H in the
You have
house.
a lovely hotel, Mr. Holmes.
Well, thank you very much. I designed and built most of it myself.
He's an odd
You're
one.
an architect then?
Architect, designer, builder, doctor, artist.
Fashionista.
I'm a man of many interests.
I make hats.
Impressive.
I do
Please
needlepoint.
have a look around. We have sundries and gifts at the pharmacy counter. I'll take your luggage up to your room and ensure that everything is in order. Just make a note if you decide to purchase anything, and we will add it to your bill.
Interesting fellow.
Thank you, Mr. Holmes. We appreciate it.
The pleasure is all mine.
Now, fuck off. Jewelry. Ba, 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 ba.
Now, what did I forget to bring?
Face powder. Holy shit, what happened? Bearing updates for the story branches and important. Wait, I don't care. I don't care. I just want to play the game.
Oh, pardon me, miss.
Oh, for
Careful,
fuck's
you.
sake.
My husband gets awfully cross with men who act fresh.
He sounds like a ripe fellow. How's the marriage going?
Lovely. Thanks for asking.
Well, let's just head up. I'm sure the room is ready.
Seem a little anxious there, Jeff.
Anything good over there at the jewelry counter? Anything fancy?
Wouldn't you like to know?
I just gave you a fucking ring. Ding ding. World's Fair Hotel.
Wonder what's in here.
Probably something private.
I'm starting to think I've gone and married a thrill seeker. Ferris wheels, forbidden rooms.
Writing your name on stuff?
Perhaps.
Jesus.
Nothing but an unfinished room.
That
what happens
you
when you
just
chase a
broke
thrill?
into.
If this is you trying to get out of the Ferris wheel.
I know you won't be denied.
Wait. What's that?
Dead body. Let's move on. Let's go to the honeymoon suite. Oh, fuck, not this already. The heartbeat button may change to... Okay, alright, okay, come on now. It's been a while. Now y'all are gonna get locked in here. Fuck. Whew. It's been a while. Bit rusty.
That was a thrill.
You won't think it's thrilling if we're sleeping on the street after getting kicked out of here. Let's go.
Let's try not to break in any other rooms. Okay? They're very impressed with electricity. Here's the honeymoon suite.
Welcome, newlyweds, to the honeymoon suite.
Smells like sex.
Thank you kindly, Mr. Holmes.
Do enjoy your stay. If you'll excuse me, I have work to return to.
I have to find who...
I'm sure we'll see each other again soon.
To find the two assholes that broke into my private room.
Goodness, this place is fit for a king.
Or my queen.
Oh,
You.
Jesus.
Kiss this.
That is not very wifely of you.
Hey!
Ah! Bullseye!
You asked for it.
Oh, face, please.
Should I be frightened?
If you're smart.
Fucking forehead.
Mercy, mercy. Okay, you win.
Anything broken?
Only my pride. How about a peace offering?
This feels like some sort of treacherous plot.
Not at all. I have a gift for you. Close your eyes and face the mirror.
Bloody Mary.
Are you
Bloody
clever and
Mary.
romantic?
Oh, we're not playing that.
If I get a pillow to the face, I will sock you right in the kisser.
Redhead.
Is there a problem?
No. Open your eyes.
Oh, Jeff, it's lovely. I love it.
Good. Victory is mine. I'll let you have that bath now.
Peekaboo. With these two, I don't think you're going to get a lot of action on that camera. What are you doing? It's not your room. Oh, it's a bathroom because they don't have that. Okay, never mind.
It's jammed shut.
Maybe if we put a little weight into it? Open sesame!
Oh,
Thank you.
fuck's sake.
Why don't you have a shave while I take a quick bath? Then we can reconvene.
I know that word. It's French for something illicit.
Shush. Shave.
I think I forgot to pack my razor and kit.
I'm sure the pharmacy downstairs has them.
Don't be too long in that bath.
Don't you worry.
Oh, I gotta kill him or get out of here somehow. Okay, let's find a shaving kit for Jeff here. Even though I think he just started growing facial hair like a week ago. Where's... It said to the... Am I tripping? It said lobby that way. So I go through the door? Well, the signs here just don't make sense. Can we double time it, Jeff? Oh, wait, I can... No. We've already... I don't want to go in there. Yes. I appear to be lost.
I could have sworn this was the way we came up.
Word. Where the fuck am I?
What?
Holy ball sack. That was almost a very short game.
Hurry!
Look, honey, they gave us a toaster in the bathtub. Equip your face powder. It's probably cocaine. Oh, cover your eyes, boys and girls. She's like, what have I done?
Is that you, darling?
Yuck.
Oh, are we playing another game?
Yeah. Guess who the stranger is? Let's investigate that.
Okay, Mr. Sneaky. You can't sneak up on me, Mr.
Holy balls.
Hello, my
What are
dear.
you doing in here? Jeff!
I don't think he can quite hear you.
Holy balls. Gracious.
But I'm not finished yet.
I said get...
Don't fight it. Will only hurt more if you do.
Hey, you were supposed to be in that bed of spikes.
What have you done?
Calm yourself, sir. I've seen your wife.
Holy shit.
Is there a problem, sir?
One or two. Now you done it. It's the gas from Man of Medan. Medan, whatever the... What the fuck? She's still... Holy crap. Holy shit. Well, this went 0 to 100. Hey, go out that window. Or mirror, or...
You're wasting your last chance to tell him that you love him.
He's like, stand up taller, I never saw you naked. Oh, hell's bells. Just accept it. Well, that was an interesting start. No wonder the honeymoon suite's always available.
A place for everything. Everything in its place.
Damn, he did that just for a ring.
Look at this.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Only the best for you, my dear.
Mother would simply die. It's so
I say,
opulent.
good man, do you work here?
I do. I have the honeymoon suite available.
Hello. Welcome to the World's Fair Hotel.
Where there's always a vacancy. Oh, here we go. I haven't heard this song in a while. That was a pretty good start. I'll give him that. Pretty good start. Won't you spare me over till another day? Where's the curator? There he is. That man never ages. Probably because he's a fictitious character. Nikki Patel, Paul K. The Kitty Archer? Old joke, but good joke. Pip Torrens. Just Pip. That's a cool name. He walks cool. He dresses cool. He's got a cool haircut. He's everything I want to be. And again, I'm going to try to break this up into like 1 hour chunks. I was debating on doing 30-minute chunks, but we're already like 23 minutes in. And that would just be annoying. So I'm going to do 1 hour chunks, roughly. Roughly. Hello. You dropped a feather.
Oh, you're here. Have you been waiting long?
You just walked past me.
It's always good when a familiar face returns. Obviously, you're in the mood for a new tale.
Yeah, fucking right I am.
It's so good to have company. For a long time, I was on my own. I can barely recall a time when I wasn't here, watching over these tales. And what good are stories without somebody to experience them? This is a story about those who create, and the lengths they might go to for their art to be made pure.
Are you lonely? Is this a cry for help?
Art can elicit all sorts of reactions. Delight, inspiration, desire, yes, but also doubt, fear, dread. The way you react, the decisions you make, will affect this story. Hidden in the world, you'll find dark pictures.
Ah, you said
They
it.
give glimpses of the possible consequences of your choices. And sometimes it's the smallest choices that can have the biggest repercussions.
Yeah, I noticed that.
You're responsible for what happens. You're culpable.
Culpable, good word.
I can't interfere. That's very much against the rules. I can only observe what happens and record any significant events.
Word.
Oh. Ever seen one of these? They're very old. People used to call them obbles. They'd put them in the mouth of the recently deceased to pay the ferryman. Look out for them. You'll find them in the strangest places.
Oh, that's
I'll be
new.
happy to exchange any that you find, and I'll certainly make it worth your while.
Oh. That's new.
Well, shall we start?
Indeed.
Aim is afoot. I will be watching.
Creepy. Let's do this.
My name is Kate Wilder. I've got a master's in criminal psychology. I'm an investigative journalist and hope to make a difference. You may have recently seen my interview on Chicago AM on the
Yeah, missed it.
And yeah, it's really tough when just being honest means everyone thinks you're a bitch. I'm not. Sure, I've got issues to deal with, same as everyone. I'm working on it.
What the fuck are you saying?
I'm Mark. I study photography at UCLA. Had a great time. Really want to get back into some serious photography. But yeah, it's a job.
I've been a key grip and lighting tech for years. See a problem, light it.
Looks a lot like
Meet
Fliss.
someone like that. Man, how do you even start? I'm sick of being on my own.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, do you start with qualifications or, like personnel info? Because I don't...
She's cute.
Will anyone access this? I'm kind of private, actually.
Yeah, Charlie Lonitz, UK originally. I've been here for 20 years. The last series was so on track. It was a very beautifully conceived and didn't quite hit the mark as I was hoping it would. It's a fucking mess, to be honest with you.
Jesus. I hope these aren't like job interviews.
Enough. Oh, I've barely begun, Your Honor.
Say
You
what?
seem to understand. I was born with the devil in me.
That's where you got the jacket.
I could not help the fact that I was a murderer any more than a poet can help the inspiration to sing. Bury me deep, Your Honor. Make sure they fill my pine box with cement. Put me deeper than anyone else. And cover the ground with more cement, 'cause trust me, just being dead ain't enough to stop me from killing again.
Googly
On May
moogly.
7th, 1896, Herman Mudgett, aka Henry H. Holmes, was sent to the gallows.
Triple H.
His neck did not snap from the force of hanging. Records indicate he hung, slowly suffocating for over 15 minutes, until finally, the monster was dead. America's first serial killer confessed to 27 murders. But as investigators sifted through the traces he left behind, following his path from city to city,
What year are we
the
in?
number grew significantly. Nearly 200 lives.
Jesus. Busy boy.
America's first serial killer, and possibly the worst. He was buried as requested, under concrete. Was he hoping to hide from God's judgment? Or did he truly want to keep the devil from climbing out and killing again?
The latter.
So, what do you think?
I don't know what's happening. Not everybody at once now.
To be honest, Charlie, this is a pilot.
Hold that thought.
I think she completed it.
Lonnet Entertainment.
Charles Lonnet, please.
Speaking. Charlie is fine.
My name is Grantham Dumet.
What can I do for you, Mr. Dumet?
Actually, it's what I can do for you. Hear me out.
All right.
I'm certainly grateful to you, Mr. Dumet. This all sounds amazing, but I just...
Why don't you carry it by the
I'm
handle?
waiting to hear what the catch is. No offense.
None taken. I'm in a privileged position. I don't need for much. but my time is at a premium. We need to do this today. I'll send a car for you this afternoon, 4 p.m. Be ready.
This afternoon? We're talking a couple of days shoot. I've told my team they're free this weekend, and frankly, they're a temperamental bunch.
Well,
Without
fuck them. Do
them,
they
this
want the job or
conversation
not?
is dead in the water.
I've told you what I have. Please don't waste my time. Am I sending the car or not?
Yes, of course. We're in. I'll get them there. I promise. Let's do it. Mr. Dumet send you? Right. Let's load up, guys.
All right, got it.
I'm good.
All right. No. The trunk's for everyone.
Right.
Put your bodies in there.
I mean, this is that ring light that makes you all glowy. We leave it behind if you...
All right.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Grand, people. Adventure. Excitement. Anyone?
Road trip.
Huzzah!
Woohoo.
Hooray.
This is gonna be great, guys.
We're in a stranger's limo. What could go wrong?
So do we know where we're going exactly?
No.
No surprises.
You know what this reminds me of?
Don't say it.
Topeka?
Exactly. Me, no money in my pocket, a dead phone, and lost in the middle of goddamn Topeka.
That wasn't my fault.
It was 100% your fault. Because you fly by the seat of your ass. So,
Seat of your
come on,
pants.
Charlie. What do we know about this guy?
He's rich, he's a recluse, he's obsessed with H.H. Holmes. Totally sane, I'm sure.
We're going to a property he inherited from a relative. That's who had the obsession with Holmes. Some of the rooms are full recreations from the murder castle. Dumet has blueprints, documents, artifacts. When I said this would save the show, I was not exaggerating.
And you substantiated all of this.
Just trust me.
Sorry for all the mystery. Before we go any further, I have to ask that we lock up your phones for safekeeping. While this may sound strange that I invite you to film the collection inside my home, I cannot allow any personal devices that
Was
may
this
share
part of the
information
plan?
that
Did
could
we know
affect
about
my
this?
business or lifestyle. There are rules. All footage you wish to use must be authorized by me first. I require privacy and discretion. I must insist.
His place, his rules. Look, what he's offering us is worth it. Could be making us pay, but he isn't. If this is all he asks, then we do it.
Fine. For the show.
I'm telling you, this is going to be great.
You said that in Topeka.
Oh, fuck Topeka. For God's sakes, let it go. At least you weren't in Little Hope. Oh, whipping in there. Bunch of moody millennials.
If this dude is so rich, shouldn't he have servants or something? This guy gonna help?
There's nobody driving.
No, really. I got it. Thanks, bro. Don't sweat it.
Use the handle, for fuck's sake. Now you swim.
Okay. So now what?
I'd love to get some footage of the lake and the scope of this.
Not with all the mist and fog.
There, from on high, we'll get a better look.
That's certainly, up there. The visuals will be great, and we can frame up over the mist.
Charlie, you'll hack up a lung before you're halfway up there.
I'm fit as a butcher's dog.
Mark, this is crazy.
Oh, shut up.
Let's go, Charlie.
Be careful, guys.
Nice knowing you.
Come on.
This is like that game Mist. Shoot some footage from the top of the lighthouse. Okay. Approach wall near clap steps. Press A to... Well, let me look at what... Oh. Can't go up these steps? Well. I feel like I'm supposed to be looking for those little coin things. put in people's mouths. That sounded wrong. Damn, that dude's strong. Got to look around.
Hey, guys, hurry up.
Fuck off. Yep. Oh,
It's loud.
It's meant to be heard from miles away.
Well, yeah, I know that in theory.
valid point, but
Oh, so much for Plan A.
We must be able to
shoot
work
some
our way
footage from the
around.
top of the lighthouse.
Come on.
Explore the cliffs to find an
Anything for a
alternate
shot,
route.
right?
Right, yeah, anything. Except death. So where's the lighthouse? That's where we got to get to? Fuck me. Oh.
Doesn't look too serious.
The warning about everything falling into the ocean. I'm gonna say we trust it and not die.
Nah, this sign is something the lawyers made them put up. I'm sure it's fine.
Hard disagree.
Yeah, I'm with the photography dude. Like, so we're supposed to go around the site? Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Excuse me. So we go back then. Press A to jump down and access new areas. Oh, turn an ankle.
Listen, Mark, I just wanted to say thanks for backing me up, man.
What? About getting this footage?
No, for the whole trip. You know some of the crew can be challenging
Assholes.
to work with. Jamie and Kate would never have agreed to come if you hadn't been on board.
I figured that the episode was such a mess, we needed all the help we could get.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
I guess we do.
you coming? Come. There you go. All right. Just taking your sweet ass time. Let's jog. Oh, there's a plaque. Oh.
Okay, I won't lie. I was hoping being here all remote and away from the world that maybe I'd have some downtime, some space to decompress.
Downtime? Why would you want to do that?
You know,
Remember the victims of Grey Storm, May
accident.
1st, 1907, in which 187 lives were lost. The crew and the passengers of the SS Cassiopeia, which crashed into the rocks at the base of these cliffs. Yay! Why do I feel like we're walking farther away from this fucking lighthouse? Do we gotta go up here now? Cripes. Oh, we gotta jump. Oh, fuck me. Alright. Here we go. Hey. Oh, easy there, bud. Do you want to go first or not? Like, make up your mind. Hut. Hi. Ho. We gotta go over here and jump again. Why don't you just go through the hole? Oh, look out.
hey, when we wrap, I'd like to take a couple weeks off, go see my family.
I need you in post. I really appreciate that discerning eye of yours, you know.
I got a lot going on at the moment, Charlie.
Oh, right, yeah, of course, sure. Take a couple of weeks. Get your head together.
I appreciate it.
I'll be fine in post.
Sure. No problem.
You should do the same. Take some time out. You got any family you can go and bother?
Oh, well.
Oh.
You know,
Hi.
Mrs. Lonnet, you got hiding in some closet somewhere?
Married to the job.
Married to the job. How's that marriage working out?
Well, from what I hear about real marriages, pretty damn good.
Oh, easy.
Married to the job.
Press A to bounce across rocks. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, jog, run. Hey, bud. Hey. Okay, there we go. Okay. Jesus. The whole first episode is trying to get to the goddamn lighthouse. Claustrophobic. A little faster. Little faster. Little. Oh!
Christ, what the hell is that?
A mannequin. You know, just
Fuck!
hanging out.
Fuck! Fuck!
Maybe it's part of some old
Fuck.
museum display or something.
Right.
Fuck!
That's probably it.
Fuck. Ah. All right. Got the first one out of the way. Ah. That got me. I was too busy bitching and moaning about getting to this lighthouse. Hey. You feeling froggy? Yep. Ha. Hey. Ha. Dude, just pulling a grown man up with one arm. That's impressive. Okay. Well, don't forget, we got to go back down. Take some shots.
Yeah. Just looking at the light on the mist.
How is that going to fit into the show?
It just caught my eye. Coming.
Always the photographer.
I can't exactly turn it off. There's a lot of crossover between the creative stuff and the commercial stuff.
Okay, I
You sure
don't
about that?
care.
Because crossover with Kate hasn't exactly...
We agreed to let that drop for the weekend.
Just making sure your head's in the game.
Which one? Oh. Okay, it's locked. How the fuck are we... Hut, hey, hut. From the top of the lighthouse. Find a way into the lighthouse. Jesus. Up to here with this lighthouse.
Locked tight. Come on. There must be another way.
You sure?
No. I'm optimistic.
Fuck. Oh, right there. Pardon me. Sorry. Hey, what we got here? A book. Whoops. Sorry. Forgot I gotta hold it. Newspaper?
Fish factory to close.
Exclamation point.
Times.
Right. Squeeze through. Yoink. Okay, now we fucking goddamn obstacle course here. Jesus. Okay, I don't think you need to army crawl, but all right. You can get up now. Woohoo! Breaking and entering. It's another one of those fucking birds. Get out of here, bird.
This looks pretty old.
Yeah, it does. Charlie can use his tie clip to open locked boxes. Hey, it's one of those little...
What's that?
Just some old coin.
Oh, it's not. Can be used to unlock dioramas.
Pick it up.
Dioramas? Like shoe boxes?
Look, sorry I give you a hard time. Now
Oh,
again, but
fuck's sake. Bleeding
I really
hearts.
couldn't make these shows without you.
That's not true.
I may be driving this car,
What car?
the Lonnet Entertainment car, but you're the one who keeps the engine going.
It's not.
Oh,
how
fuck,
cars
that's him. I was like, there's
Jesus, you
somebody
try
on
and give
the...
someone a compliment.
Thanks, Charlie. I get it.
It's... Fuck, I'm all jumpy now. X. X. I need you to push. Push. Push, push, push. Climb. Climb. Fine. Don't push. Oh, Jesus H. Okay. I think I totally missed it. Nope. Got it.
Just a little breaking and entering.
How are you not in jail?
Shush. The size of that shovel. And I'm out.
Christ, what the hell is that?
Approach a hiding place to hide. Left trigger. Crew members won't be spotted when hiding. That's pretty much the idea of hiding. What the fuck? What'd I miss? How do I get the lighter out again? Oh, there we go. So was that like a dog? Like what did we hear? Oh, excuse me, sorry. Excuse me. Oh, cool. Stay out of boats. Got it. Interesting picture for the kitchen. Okay. What the fuck? Is that just a drop down? Oh, shimmy. For fuck's sake.
Just need some fresh sheets, some nice drapes.
And 6 gallons of sanitizer.
You doing okay there? Sounds like you're having an asthma attack. Seriously, you want to sit down for a second? Jesus. Saw that
Charlie,
banister. I thought it was a head.
Somebody has a taxidermy hobby. Relax.
Some hobby.
Jeez. Taxidermy is nailing rats to a wall. Okay.
What in God's name is this?
Fuck you, bird.
What?
The thing. It moved.
The fuck you, bird. Jeez. Is there a top to this lighthouse? Oh, here we go.
It's gonna be okay. It's all gonna be okay.
I wouldn't lean up against the railing.
It's perfect.
Come on, get shooting. I want you to pan across the lake until the island comes into shot. Then zoom into that lighthouse.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it's all right. Come on, we better get back.
Oh, please don't make me walk all the way back. Oh, thank goodness.
Got him?
I
Ahoy!
don't know. We just had the one call.
How did he know what our show was about in the first place?
Actually, I didn't ask.
That's weird.
Let's just play nice, okay?
Yeah, take your hipster glasses and shove
Hello,
them up your ass.
Mr.
Hey!
Lonnet.
That's me.
I'm Grantham Demet. Everyone climb aboard and we'll head out.
This is Mark.
Mark?
Jolly good.
Erin, Jamie,
Ladies.
and this is Kate.
This
Please
bottle
do
of
too,
sunshine
Mr.
is Kate.
Dumet. I'm looking forward to seeing all it is you have to offer. We truly appreciate this.
Lovely to meet you all. What say we get underway?
Hey, that's
Again, I really
Brad's
can't
brother.
thank you enough for this opportunity.
Of course.
from Man of
Was it
Medan.
your great uncle you said that?
Let's get to
Yeah,
where we're
let's-
going. I'll explain everything later.
Sure, of course.
So it's just dragged by chains back and forth, but he has a steering wheel? Alright, jump scare. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. Son of a bitch. Okay, you know what? I'm going to end it here because we're almost at an hour. And I feel like this is going to be like a next chapter type thing. Why am I'm moving my hands? Well, you can't see me. So I'm going to end it here and then we'll pick up from literally right here where he's stepping onto the island. So yeah, till next time, this massless gamer out.